Soak in the teeming spirit of football and a thriving sense of fashion while staying in Phoenix Place in Liverpool. This super cool student housing offers a variety of well-lit ensuite rooms and studios for you to choose from. Sink into the cushy beds and get down to business with the private study desk that has plenty of sockets for all your gadgets. Kickstart your day with a quick hot shower in the crisp white washroom. And the CCTV systems ensure that your stay is secure, while the on-site maintenance team is always at your fingertips to keep everything running smoothly. In the evening, join friends in the common room to watch TV or bask in the sun in the outdoor social area while sipping on a steaming cup of coffee. Hop on a bus and arrive at the University of Liverpool and Liverpool John Moores University within 15 minutes. For a weekend treat, indulge in some mouth-watering Bill's fish pie and freshly pressed juices at Bill's Liverpool restaurant, or grab a cold glass of beer with your friends at Cross Keys Pub. And when you need to stock up on groceries, Tesco Express is just a stone's throw away. With a vibe that feels like home, Phoenix Place is the ultimate pick for students. Don't wait another minute. Book your spot now on amberstudent.com.